Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about year-end accounting checklist. Review financial statements. Let's get into Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As the year comes to an end, it's important to have some year-end accounting strategies, financial statements. A very important one is review financial statements. As the year comes to an end, it's reviewing your financial statements year-end accounting strategies. A deep dive into a very important one is income statement, financial statement, and cash flow statement. Reviewing your financial statement. This is the foundation of your year-end accounting process into your balance sheet, as it helps you understand income statement, your financial and cash flow statement by ensuring this is the foundation of your year-end accounting process. As it helps you understand your financial health. Analyze trends, ensuring make all decisions are accurately recorded. Analyze your current year's performance discrepancies to set realistic financial goals trends for the next year. To make informed decisions, consider changes coming year in your business operations. Analyze your current year's performance industry to set realistic financial goals. Ensure for the next year that your budget is well documented. Changes in your business operations includes contingencies and industry trends. Thanks for watching this video. Ensure and do not forget that your budget to subscribe is well documented channel and includes contingencies. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.